What if a feature in your Audi that you never think about is quietly draining your battery every single day? What if the car feels normal, starts fine most mornings, and yet is slowly preparing an electrical failure that will cost you thousands? And what if the reason is not a defect, not poor maintenance, but a feature that is active by default? Most Audi owners believe battery problems start when the battery is old. That belief is wrong. Modern Audi vehicles are designed to remain partially awake even when parked. Comfort systems, security modules, keyless entry, infotainment standby. All of these features are meant to improve convenience, but they also require continuous electrical management. Your Audi does not fully sleep the way older cars did. It enters a controlled standby state, and that state depends entirely on how often the car is driven, how long it rests, and how much electrical demand is placed on it. This video is in English with a clear American voice, and it explains how Audi electrical systems behave in real life, not how owners assume they behave. When the system detects frequent short drives and long parked periods, it adapts. Modules stay awake longer, wake-up cycles increase. Battery recovery becomes inconsistent. Nothing breaks, nothing warns you, but stress accumulates. This is why many Audi owners face a dead battery even when the battery tests good. It is also why replacing the battery often does not solve the problem. Before we continue, if you own an Audi and want to avoid expensive electrical repairs before warning lights appear, subscribe to the channel. This series explains how Audi systems learn from daily habits and how to stop teaching them expensive behavior. In the next part, we will explain exactly which Audi feature is responsible for most of this drain, why it is almost never mentioned at the workshop, and how it quietly creates repair bills between $1,200 and $4,000.
The feature at the center of this problem is Audi's comfort and wake-up management system. This system decides when modules wake, how long they stay active, and when the car is allowed to fully rest. Keyless entry, proximity detection, infotainment background processes, telematics communication. Each of these requires energy. Individually, the drain is small. Together, over time, it becomes significant. When your Audi is parked, the system constantly checks its environment. Is the key nearby? Was the door touched? Did a sensor detect movement? Each check wakes modules. Each wake-up costs energy. In ideal conditions, the battery recovers during longer drives. But when driving consists mainly of short trips, recovery never completes. The system adapts. It keeps modules active longer to maintain stability. Ironically, this increases drain even more. This is why Audi electrical issues often appear random. A warning one day, nothing the next. Start-stop disabled, then suddenly a no-start condition. By the time the driver notices a real problem, the battery and multiple control modules have already been operating under unstable voltage. This is how a feature meant for comfort quietly creates four-figure repair bills. In the next part, we will explain why changing the battery alone rarely fixes this issue, and why many owners experience repeat failures even after repairs.
When an Audi battery fails, most owners assume the problem is solved the moment the battery is replaced. The car starts again, warnings disappear, and everything seems normal. But in many cases, this is only the beginning of a much more expensive cycle. If the underlying wake-up and standby behavior remains unchanged, the new battery is immediately placed under the same conditions as the old one. Frequent module wake-ups, incomplete charging cycles, unstable voltage during rest periods. From the outside, the car looks fixed. Internally, nothing has changed. control modules exposed to unstable voltage do not fail instantly. They degrade slowly and unevenly. One module begins to run hotter than intended. Another compensates by staying active longer. Over time, communication errors begin to appear across the electrical network. This is why many Audi owners experience problems months after a battery replacement rather than immediately. A warning appears once and disappears. Infotainment resets randomly. Driver assistance systems show temporary faults. None of these seem related to the battery anymore, but they are all consequences of the same electrical environment. At this stage, workshops often replace individual components. A control module here, a sensor there. Each repair feels isolated, but the cost keeps growing. This is how a simple battery issue turns into a $200 repair, then a $2,500 electrical diagnosis, and in severe cases, a $4,000 system-level intervention. The mistake most owners make is assuming the first repair solved the cause. In reality, it only addressed the first component that reached its limit. As long as the vehicle continues to experience constant wake cycles and incomplete recovery, every new component is slowly pushed toward the same fate. The car is not unreliable. It is reacting exactly as designed. In the final part, we'll explain how to break this cycle completely, not by disabling features and not by guessing, but by allowing the system to finally operate the way Audi intended it to. Stopping this problem does not require disabling features, coding changes, or aftermarket modifications. It requires restoring conditions that allow the system to reset and recover. Audi electrical systems are designed around balance between usage and rest, between wake cycles and sleep cycles, between energy consumption and recovery. When that balance is restored, compensation fades naturally. Longer, uninterrupted drives allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery and stabilize voltage across the system. Consistent parking routines reduce unnecessary wake-ups. Keeping the key at a reasonable distance prevents constant proximity checks that drain energy even when the car is parked. These changes may seem small, but their effect is significant. Voltage stabilizes, modules reduce defensive behavior, heat levels normalize, internal error thresholds move back into safe ranges. This is why some Audi owners never experience electrical issues at all. They are not lucky. They are simply providing conditions the system expects. Others unknowingly do the opposite. They teach the car to remain alert, cautious, and electrically stressed at all times. The system adapts, but the cost of that adaptation is paid later. If there is one key takeaway from this episode, it is this: your Audi is always learning, even when it is parked. Every short trip, every wake-up, every incomplete recovery teaches the system something. Over time, those lessons become behavior, and behavior becomes cost. When you change the lesson, you change the outcome. If this episode helped you understand where expensive electrical damage truly begins, continue with the next episode in the series. We will expose another common Audi feature that silently reduces performance and increases repair costs long before any warning light appears. And if you want to stay ahead of problems instead of reacting to them, make sure you're subscribed. This channel exists to help Audi owners avoid expensive surprises before the repair bill arrives.